I am loving this bike, but I don't like the sound of it. A very rough sound. I like quieter bikes. I don't like loud sounding bikes. But I think it's the rattling that's creating the sound. There's some... And I'm in the 5th gear for the first time. Today, that is, not right now. Now at feeling the wind, the breeze. That's where the windscreen will come in handy. And so much better for shifting gears. Big improvement. I think I've stalled just once, and I'm in the 5th gear. And in the 1st gear. I think I might have to smelling the exhaust a bit. Yes, today is the first time I can say that I can ride a bike. Had my hands not been freezing, I would have driven to my favorite town, about 5-6 miles away. But I'm going to, at the end of this road, I'm going to make a U-turn, take a break, warm up my hands, and then head back home. And hopefully get my gloves in a couple of days. One of the reasons I got these gloves, 3-season gloves, was I was not expecting to ride in winter. I didn't expect to start riding until April or March because of the snow and wind and all that stuff. But so far it's all been straight riding. It's extremely important that I practice swerving. I've done enough speed braking so far, so I think I'm comfortable with that. But swerving, definitely I need several hours of practice. And luckily I haven't been in a situation so far where I have had to swerve in an emergency. So it's just luck so far. But I did good in my basic rider training for the swerving. So instructors were very happy with me. But I definitely need more practice on this bike.